Ever heard of a stone that sings only under the moonlight? In a quiet temple in Sri Lanka, there's a pillar called the Moonstone Echo. During the day, it's just a regular stone, but on full moon nights it comes alive. Touch it, and you'll feel a soft, humming vibration almost, like a melody. Scientists have tried to figure it out, scanning for hidden machinery or metal, but it's just solid rock. Ancient texts hint that it's a stone that listens to the sky, suggesting its creators knew something about the connection between materials and the moon. What do you think is behind this mystery? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories.